Hello guys, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. I'm really glad having you back today again. Today I'm going to show you some simple recipes here with lemongrass. I'll be showing you how to make lemongrass chicken. It's quite very delicious and flavorful. It's something you will really like and your whole family will love this. So let's get straight to the point. To make lemongrass chicken, you will need about 500 grams of boneless chicken. You can use chicken thigh or chicken breast. Other seasoning I'll be using for this lemongrass chicken are a teaspoon of chili powder, red chili pepper. You can use red bell peppers. I'm using a lot of garlic here and just a little bit of ginger, chicken seasoning, spring onions, red onion, lemon, and of course lemongrass. Just 4 pieces of lemongrass here. Lastly, I'm using oyster sauce and soy sauce. Okay, just because I'm using a whole lot of garlic here, I'm just going to chop some. Just mince your garlic into tiny pieces. Okay, once I'm done mincing this, so I'm going to chop the ginger I had. Next, I'm going to start mincing the lemongrass. So first of all, I'm going to remove the harder layer. This looks a little bit tough. So I'm just going to make use of the soft core. I'm just going to cut this into very thin pieces. I'm now cutting this again into tiny pieces after cutting them into round thin shapes. Once I have something like this, I'm going to set this aside. We're going to start by marinating the chicken. So this is the chicken I have here in a bowl. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add in chicken seasoning into this. Just half teaspoon of chili powder. Add in half teaspoon of minced garlic, half teaspoon of minced ginger, 2 teaspoons of minced lemongrass. I'm going to go in with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then I'm going to add in the squeezed lemon. I just squeezed in 1 whole lemon. Then I'm going to stir this and allow everything to coat with the chicken. You can use fish sauce for your marinade if you have that. After mixing, I'm going to add in a little bit of salt and mix again. I'll go ahead and cover this with a cling film, then place this in the fridge to stay for about 2 hours. You can keep it longer the better the taste. Just before I bring the chicken out of the fridge, I'm going to prepare the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to start by preparing the chili pepper. This is quite very spicy, so I'm going to reduce some of the seeds. You can use red bell peppers if you have that. 2 hours later, I've taken this out of the fridge, so we are going to start preparing the lemongrass chicken right away. To make this lemongrass chicken, I'm going to start by placing my skillet on a stove top. Then I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm going to start by adding in ginger and garlic. Go in with the chopped onion. I'm going to stir fry this until it's translucent. Okay, I've stir fried this for 30 seconds. I'm going to add lemongrass, just about 2 tablespoons again. I'm going to stir fry this as well. Once you start stir frying this, you begin to perceive the sweet aroma of the lemongrass. It smells really amazing and it's going to add more flavor to the chicken. Next, I'm going to go in with my red chilies. Okay, I'm just going to make sure I stir everything until it combines. The pepper adds to the color of this sauce. It gives it a nice radiant color, makes it bright, and it's so colorful. After stir frying this for a minute, I'm just going to create a pit in the pan just like this. I'm going to go in with my marinated chicken. I'm going to allow this to cook first. Meanwhile, I'm going to close this with a lid and leave it to cook for about 20 minutes. This is simmering properly. 10 minutes into cooking this, I'm just going to turn over the chicken so that every side gets to cook evenly. I'm going to cover it again. You can now start adding the remaining seasonings. A tablespoon of oyster sauce. Once you add it, stir. The flavor is already intensified. Smells really good and tastes really yummy. Next, I'm going to go in with my spring onion. I'm going to just stir this properly until it combines nicely. Next, I'm going to add in chicken broth directly from the fridge. This is almost frozen. Okay, you can just use water if you don't have meat stock at hand. Once the chicken stock starts to melt, it will release the water into the chicken, so you don't need so much water in this. And at this point, I'm going to test for salt. I haven't added salt yet because my chicken stock has salt, and other seasonings too, like soy sauce and oyster sauce, are already salty, so you don't need so much salt in this. Once you're satisfied with the flavor and taste of your lemongrass chicken, just cover it and leave it to cook for 10 minutes on very low heat. Okay, this has been cooking for 10 minutes and the chicken has absorbed all the juice. It's really flavorful. The kitchen smells so good. I'm just going to stir this around. I'm going to just turn off my heat. You can serve it over boiled white rice. I love the flavor and the taste of this food. It's really something you should try out. You're gonna love this. I'm going to be serving this over my white rice. Okay, just like so. And I'm going to just add some of this sauce over it. I love the color. Everything is just unique. Guys, you can come and have it right here. And for the finishing, I just love to go extra with some vegetables like this. Don't forget to drizzle lemon over your juicy chicken. This was a very delicious and a healthy way to prepare lemongrass chicken at home, guys. You really need to try out this recipe. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Support us by liking the video, and also you can share this with your friends. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Stay blessed. Bye.